guys, Jacob from Leading Edge Industrial here, and with me are Jeremy and Lamira. And today, much like the process you saw with our lathe breakdown, we've been working on tearing down our mill castings. So what you see on the tool cart here is all of the castings that we actually end up using from the manual mill that we have. It's just the spindle head, and then the carriage and the table itself. These are going to be paired up with a solid column and a larger base for our new machines right now until we get the castings done, our own castings done in Michigan. And again, this is a continuation of that consumer off-the-shelf process that we had implemented to prove the market. So what we've just been doing for the past couple days is breaking down all the machines, cleaning them up, getting them ready to go and ship off to Joe for our CNC operations. And you'll be able to see that coming up sometime soon. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care.